Torrance Police Department here doing their practice of chasing bad guys through an obstacle course. It's pretty cool here. It looks like those are experienced officers in the front car and being chased by some maybe more novice police officers in the back, making sure they can maneuver. Hopefully we don't hit the railing here and get part of the scene of the crime, but it's looking pretty cool. Running through the obstacle course. Got my two sons in the back here and playing cops and robbers. Those are some pretty fast bad guys. Cool, ma. That's when you want to become a police officer. This makes being law enforcement look pretty cool. At this point, you probably could be getting a little bit nauseous going around those cones. I've done race car driving in Spartanburg, North Carolina in an M5 at the BMW racetrack, and turns not even this tight at those speeds, and you're getting pretty nauseous. It's not casual driving right there, folks.